DeWalt Table Saw, 10 inches. Let's set it up. Easy to carry it. There's the legs. Whoa, this is awesome. Okay, pull it up. Alright, we're gonna show you some mods on it. Locks in, 2 latchets on both sides. Lock another one. Ooh, in and out. Beautiful. That's it. There's a ruler with this kind of like a red line. Okay, the blade going to come up. Ooh, there you go. Nice. And there's a angle. Go sideways, in and out. Amazing. Okay.
And look. Cord,
and it's, what is this?
Onboard wrenches.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
To do a change, you unlock it.
That's easy. Okay. Wow, that's quite nice. Okay. Ooh, more attachments. Beautiful.
Push stick.
Okay, so easy to take it on and off, put it all together. I love it. Okay. Level, what is, oh, it's on and off button. That's cool.
Lockable.
So it doesn't turn off by mistake. Sweet.
And then easy off. So you can actually, with your leg, turn it off.
That's nice. I love it. Okay. I'm impressed. Very, very impressed with this tool. Rope capture progress. This is what it looks like. Okay. So there is 2 little safeties. 1 and 1. And opens this way. Now the rope can go through. And then again slide it over 1, 2, and then it slides in with the rope and locks in. And now this side here is up, it will go up, but this side here will attach to the harness, so in case some happen and fall, there will be like a titanium with a bunch of notches, and it will not slide down. It will slide up but not down. This is why there is up, very important. That is slides up and down, and the whole table moves. Very cool. And again, to release it, pull on this and this, pull it off. Amazing. Compact reciprocating saw. This is quite nice. There's a safety. Will not push. Safety, push. And another hold is this way, for left-handed. So 2 different holds. Beautiful. Okay. So this side here, automatic lock. Once it's put in, it locks in. And then to take it out, turn, and it unlocks. Flip it over, locks in, turn and unlocks. Okay, very simple. But the battery goes into here, or this way. So small pieces. For example, nice. Sharpie Paw permanent marker. Marks on wet plus oily surfaces. Marks on wet plus oily surfaces. That's cool. Let's try it out. Okay, right now we're doing it on dry. Oh, really nice thick mark. Wow, that's good. Okay, let's try to spray it off in case it rains. Nice, it's staying. Okay, let's go mark it on wet. and there's a mark still. That is cool. Wow, but that's extreme. Let's try to do it again. A third one. Wow. Okay, let's do it right here more. Oh, now that it's like not underwater, let's mark it right here. That's cool. But on a wet surface right here too, marks even better. Perfect. Spec Ops 25 feet measuring tape, double-sided, printed, two-side printed, 10 feet blade stand out, so I guess whenever we pull it out it doesn't break off or like collapses. At 10 feet we'll test it, and 20% more compact. I really like the rubber all over it. So wow, that is really thick. Locks it right here. Very thick, like a measuring tape blade, double-sided. That's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna just take it out till it collapses. See what happens. We at what, 10 feet? No, 7 feet. 8 feet, 9 feet. Okay, going to get it closer. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, this is 10 foot. Let's get it at 10 foot. And it didn't collapse. Oh, it collapsed right at 10 feet. But that's very far. Let's see if we can do a little longer before. Yeah, around 10 feet it collapsed too. That is really nice and stone tape. Ooh. And also the cool thing, there's a hook on the top and there's a hook on the bottom. That is quite nice. So if I want to measure it right here, both ways. Beautiful stone, rubber, anti-shock. There's a like lanyard holder, belt loop, stone. I like it. There's a Makita Light. There's a model number. Go all the way around, up. The batteries goes into here. The on and off, just one mode. There's a mountain ring for a sling or something. There's another little hook. Let's go in the dark and see what it looks like. Dark garage, turn it on. It's kind of like a spotlight and a floodlight. Really wide. It's good. And will stand pretty good. Adjustable. Nice. So we can see the whole wall. That's a good light. I like it. Milwaukee Nailer 18 gauge. There's a hook. Okay. Quick overview and then we will use it. Okay, let's load it up. M18 battery. Okay. There's a depth adjuster, up and down, on and off. Single bump. There's a little flashlight too. Okay, let's do bump. Very fast. Nice. 30-degree framing nailer, Milwaukee M18 battery. Okay. Single mode, press and hold, bump mode. Okay. Wow, that's fast. Okay, bump. Press and hold.
And out.
Out.
Hold on.
Okay. Okay, reload. Bump. Wow. The depth gauge, in and out for the nail. Simple. DeWalt Bluetooth speaker. So it comes with one of these plugs, so it can be plugged in, or it comes with a battery plug. So 12 volt or 20 volt max lithium ion. There is some AUX cord, USB, and a plug, 12 volt DC. One of this. Okay. I got the battery, 20 volt. Goes like this and locks in, and there's a nice handle, and it's when it's plugged in the battery, very nice and leveled. Beautiful, and as simple as on, pause, volume up and down, and then Bluetooth, it will flicker. There's a little speaker right here and a little like a subwoofer speaker down here. So very nice and pretty lightweight and compact. There's like a rubber anti-shock. Let's see. Yeah, it feels like kind of like a rubberish plastic. Yeah, nice. More of a plastic. Beautiful. And then take it off. There you go. There's a model number. I like it. Very compact.